how to add music to Instagram stories. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add music to your Instagram stories. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just swipe right from the home screen, and after that you'll be prompted to the camera section. Now here at the bottom you'll see several options. From there you can just swipe and tap on story option, and after that you can just capture a photo or video or choose one from your gallery. And here, once you're done with it, what you can do on the next page is you can simply swipe up from your screen, and here once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu you can just tap on the music sticker, and once you do that, a next pop-up menu will appear. In that menu you'll see the list of all the songs that you can add to your story. Now here you can simply search for the song that you want to use, and once you've found that, you can just tap on it to add it to your story. And now here, once you have added them to your story, you can just share it by tapping on the arrow icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen, and after that you can just tap on share button one more time, and that's it. That's how you can add music to your Instagram stories. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.